ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you Code Academy, a free website which you can learn Java, Python, and many other languages completely for free. Obviously, there is a membership if you want to go pro, and you can learn multiple other things that are exclusively to the pro members. Now, let's get started, and I'll show you how you can get started. So first of all, you can log in, create an account, whatever it may be. You can use Gmail, another email, anything like that. It'll bring you here. Simply click search, whatever language you want. Let's say we want to learn Java. Okay, Java. And here, I already started it, so I can open it. And it will show you either resume courses. It will usually say start. I already set my progress just for this video. So you guys will see. And I just started, so it doesn't really even matter. And it will probably say syllabus and what other stuff you could get. Syllabus, and there was one more section, I forget the name of it, but you don't need to worry about that. So we can hit resume course, and this is where all the learning will happen. So over here you have a learn section and to do section. Here's your console and here's your terminal. Console where you write the code, terminal where you see what runs. So introduction to Java. Welcome to the world of Java programming. And it tells you a bit of background about how it came to be and stuff like that. Now this part, instructions, is where you want to pay attention. It will tell you what it wants you to do for this session. This session is the first out of 8, so let's read what it wants us to do. You're looking at a computer program written in Java. Run the code in the text editor to see what is printed to the screen. This is also called a text editor other than a terminal. Other than a console. And if you ever get stuck on any of these instructions, you can simply do that. You don't have to change anything in the code editor. This should appear in the terminal after you press run. Okay, click run. Oh, I got a check mark. And it says hello world. That's nice. Now we can go to the next session. Hello Java file. All right. Gives a little explanation as what to do. All right, and then we come down to the instruction. The text editor has a file, hello-u.java, that contains a hello-u class with a main method, so on and so forth. And it says inside the main method, add a statement which prints hello someone with your name replacing someone. Make sure to end the statement with a semicolon. So I know how to do this. System.out.println, or just print. And then put some quotation mark. Say hello, Jeff. All right, let's say you didn't know how to do that after reading all this learn section. You can simply click stuck, get a hint. Let's say you want to print howdy world, and it goes you step by step by step, telling you what to do. And if I hit run, I should get that green check mark. It says hello, Jeff. And now we can go to the next session. So this is all it's about. You learn, you put the code, and you see what happens. That's all it is. And if you don't get the instructions right, don't worry, they will show you corrections and help you out there. They can even compare codes for some exercises that you get wrong to see what are the difference between your code and the correct code. I hope this helped. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, share this with others, and comment down below if this is your first time coding, second time, third time, or if you're learning like 17 different languages, what's going on. I'd love to know that in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.